Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. And today I'll be unboxing a curly hair system. And this is one of the great advantages of wearing a hair system. If you see any hairstyle you like, you can just order it and then you get it. You don't have to worry about bleaching, perming, or damaging your own hair. This is the Quanta from Lordhair, and as you can see, they have pre-bleached the knots, so the hairline looks more realistic. They also provide perming services. Alright, I'm going to tape this skin and lace hybrid hair system. I always start from the center and then place the tapes around the system. I often get questions why I don't place the tapes right at the edge of the lace. The reason is that I want to avoid any shine from the tapes. And don't worry, the lace won't lift or move around. And to be very honest with you guys, I'm actually very impressed of how much improvement they have done for the hairlines. I mean, look at it, this looks so realistic. Alright, this is pretty much the final look. I have to admit, I actually like the curls on me. It looks even more realistic in my opinion because, well, people would definitely know this is not how my natural hair would look.